looking for a simple strategic way that you can start actually generating income today? In this video I'm really going to be doing today, it's all about a review of what I have personally been doing to be able to use my social media platforms to generate me thousands and thousands of dollars in the affiliate world. Hey guys, I am not this person who is really so interested in like showing you how much money I've made, but I'm this person who is really interested to show you how you can start generating your first $10 commission today, your first $7 commission today, your first $100 commission today. So hey, always make sure to hit that subscription button and always remember to click the like and also remember to leave a comment based on the value that you'll get on this video. Hey, my videos are a little bit different. I'm actually bringing my own perspective and sharing with you all the things that I've been able to learn and understand in the online space. So without talking a lot, let me show you some few commissions I've been able to make. All right, so if you can take a look at my laptop here, you are able to see these different amount of commissions. You can see this is $20, $20, $10, 21, $10, 21, 10, and you can see this is my name here, Dennis Mwabu, Dennis Mwabu, Dennis Mwabu, Dennis Mwabu, Dennis Mwabu. So I really don't want to dwell into this, but right now what I want to do is I just want us to just dive into what I call the traffic catalysm. Traffic catalysm is something that has really been able to really help me out when it comes to generate all those commissions I've been able to show you there. When you even take a look at here, hope you've made a sale, you've made a sale, you've made a sale. All these things I've been able to really use from this traffic catalysm. And what is it included in the traffic catalysm? So it's just a very simple way that you can start generating only free buyer traffic, right? Only free buyer traffic, and you really don't want to do no paid ads, no email list, and this is actually backed by a traffic master. When they say backed by a traffic master, this is somebody who I have seen doing the exact thing that you are shown here on the traffic catalysm. So let me just ask you something, man. You know, for me, this was what was happening to my side. I was fed up, I was tired of the BS. I was really buying program after program. I was going from program 1, coach after coach, program 2 after program 3 after program 4. I was really going to a lot of programs, and most of them, they were really not legit products, and these guys were really not getting outside there and sharing the exact strategies that they're using to be able to generate and to make money online. So if you want to make money online, I want you to take a look at this. You really need two things. You need traffic and you need offer, and you need an amazing offer that is converting. And this is what traffic catalysm actually shows you, the step-by-step process. So here is, they say making money is easy, making money online easy. They say that, man, but you know, their systems are never simple. So let's actually not really look into the content inside here. You'll be able to get access to this page in the links in the comments below, whereby I'll be writing on the comments, on the description. I'll write get your traffic catalysm here and get access to all the bonuses that I'll be giving you out. So this is extremely beginner friendly. You really don't need to have any technical stuff, and stick around with me up to the end of this video, because what I'm going to be sharing with you, I actually got the traffic catalysm, and I'm going to be walking you through the inside of it, and I'm going to be sharing with you how valuable this is and how I'll actually be able to jump into my Facebook, and I'll show you some few techniques that I've been able to use from this, and I've been really able to get results. So this is an extremely beginner friendly. You really don't want to have technical stuff, and what it is backed by a real traffic master. And this is what got my attention, because when you take a look at, this is a course that is showing you how to get only free buyer traffic, and you duplicate the exact systems that you're taught there. It's all about copying and pasting. So if you take a look at Justdeep, this one here, this guy, right, this is the one who will be training you. Justdeep, this one, if you take a look at Justdeep, this training, he was charging it 1,997. So let's take a look at his course. Here's his course. You can see this is save $988, but you pay one-time payment of $1,997, but also you can pay 12 months payments of $199. So this is what you're getting from Traffic Catalysm, the content that is here. And on Traffic Catalysm, actually at the lowest level you can actually get it for $8. It's really a no-brainer. And when you get it for $8, what will be happening is I'll be sharing with you how you can be able, as a bonus, I'll be sharing with you how you can be able to start generating your first commission in your first week as soon as possible by giving you an affiliate link that you can use to promote the Traffic Catalysm, and you start actually making money, because this is an amazing offer. So let's jump into what is included in the Traffic Catalysm, and let me just jump into my let me jump into my members area and show you like most of the things. Okay, so let me log in and show you exactly what is inside there. This is really crazy training that really helps you out. So you can see this is how the members area is. You can see, you can check out the Traffic Catalysm hack, 7 times income, unlimited traffic, DFY income funnel, and then you can also get the reseller rights. All right, and when you take a look here, this is a lot of content that you're getting for only $8. If you take a look at here, is on my side, I've already actually gone through all this. All right, if you come and click here, this is training being taken. Okay, you can take a look at this social media branding intro. If you're really struggling, guys, to make leads, free organic traffic leads, this is where you want to actually come to. This is where you want to actually come to. And let me show you a proof here using my social media platform, especially on Facebook. All right, I'm going to be sharing with you my group, and let me show you my group. I've been able to use those strategies to actually grow this group here to up to 522 members who are actually paying members who buy most of the stuff that I usually promote. So this is very worth it. It's very legit. I've already shown you the back end on it and everything on how it's working. And when you take a look at some of the gurus, actually the trainings that you are shown here on the Traffic Catalysm, this some of the trainings that are here in the members areas is what these guys do, right? For example, when you take a look at here, optimize your social media channel, how you can really do this. Man, I've really gone through all these videos because I usually don't promote just anything on my channel. I take a look at the most valuable things outside there that we can get inside here and promote, and this is what I usually bring. So let's take a look at my YouTube. Okay, you can see here right now we are having 523 members, and these 523 members are people who have been able to buy 1 or 2 of my stuff. Let me show you something else on my email, on my Gmail. Let's take a look at let's type this, and let me show you how many leads I'm really able to generate. Okay, take a look at this. Okay, you've got a lead, 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 you have got a lead, you have got a lead. All these are leads. When you even get into the next page, also still these are leads. Leads. We can go up to 100 pages, and I want you to listen to this. All these are organic traffic, and it's all about these strategies that are taught here on the Traffic Catalysm. These strategies that are taught here are the ones that have really been able to help me get all those things. So how do you really able to get access to all this training? As you can see, the training here goes for it's 12. You can pay 12 monthly, 199, and then you can pay 1,997. This is actually one-off, but here's the deal. And you can let me. Oh, I've not shown you I've not shown you. This is just deep actually here. Let me show you. This is the guy here, and let's take a look. I want to be transparent and honest with you guys. Okay, this is just deep here. This guy. Okay, so you want to get this course. I'm actually showing you a technique. You want to get this course, all of everything that is here, for only $8. $8 $8. Okay, $8. I'm so excited about this. So take a look at, if you take a look, this is just deep here training. When you take a look, this is actually the members area. All right, don't know if it's low, it will be load. This is the members area. It's not loading.
Your bio.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yep. So you can see all these trainings. Okay, you can see this is just deep, and he's showing you the exact steps that he is taking to really make over this. Okay, where is there? This to really make over this amount. Make $68,748 only free buyer traffic. So what do you want to do? You want to come here on my YouTube channel. Okay, on my YouTube channel, on the description below, I want to show you where you can get access to the link to get to that page. All right, and what you want to do, because there is a lot of Traffic Catalysm reviews outside there, you really want to get access specifically using this link that I'm showing you here, and how you can get towards it. You want to really get to it through this. Okay, specifically, and I want to repeat this again so that you may actually not miss out the bonuses that I'll be giving you. All right, I'll be giving you a lot of bonuses. Just stick around with me before I finish. Just a little bit before I finish, I'll show you where you can get access to this. All you want to do is you come here on my channel. First of all, guys, always remember to hit that subscription button below, and always remember to drop your comments. So you want to come here on one of these videos. When you come on the video here, on the description, let's check out the description here. On the description, you want to come and check the description. There is a link that will be talking about get my free bonuses here, moabudennis.com to get paid. You want to click on that link. It will send you to a page that will ask you to fill your email address and this page. Okay, this is where it will, so that you may get access to this page. Okay, so here, discover a simple proven strategy that makes $68,748 using free buyer traffic without spending a dime, no ads and stuff. When you click get access, you want to just fill in your email address and name, and then click get access right now. When you click get access right now, it will send you directly to this page. All right, it will send you directly to this page, this one. Okay, so after it send you here, all you just want to do here is just come click on this, click here to get instant access, and then after you've clicked on that, what will happen is it will send you to this a page like this. So you can see this is 12.95. So let me give you a technique so that you may actually just get it for half this price. So when you get into the, as it redirected me there, when you use that link, if you're using your laptop, you just try to like exit the page. It will bring you this pop-up. When it brings you this pop-up, when you click on that, okay, when you click on that, what will happen is it will send you to a page whereby you can get access to it this way. This is how it looks like. Okay, you'll get a $4 discount, and all you just want here is to click here. Okay, add to cart here, you click here. After you click here, it will bring you here. You see, you'll get it for 8.95. okay, 8.5. If you have a credit card, use your credit card. If you have a PayPal, use your PayPal. Check out, and then after you've checked out, always remember to check your email address, because I'll be sending you their different bonuses. And after you've signed up also, you want to check in your email to actually check out some of the bonuses that I'll be giving you out. And also you can always feel free to come here on this profile. After coming here on this profile, just after coming on this profile, what you want to do is you can actually send me a message. All right, you can add me and send me a message on my Facebook profile, and then I'll be able to really start working with you on a one-on-one basis. All right, so have a good time. Let's meet on the inside and be blessed.